Hi folks, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I'll be sharing with you some information which will help you to quit your job. I get many questions asked by my subscribers that how can I actually quit my job and build an online business, and there are many people who actually tell me that I'm doing a job and I don't get time to set up my online business. So for these two categories of people, I have I have some information to share with you, and I'll be showing you a plan that you can use to actually quit your job. Okay, not to quit your job instantly, but systematically in the long run, how you can build your online business along with your job, and then in the future when your online business is set, you can actually quit your job and completely rely on your internet business. So there is a way to do it if you plan it up starting today. So I'll be showing you the simple process how you can do it. So let's get started. Okay, so this information can actually kill your job. It can give you the freedom that you want if you apply it. Okay, and all you require is that you remove certain percentage of income that you get from your job. So let's say you are making $2,000 from your job, and you think that you can remove 30% out of your job income. So you can actually go about removing $600 per month. Okay, so it completely depends upon you, but what I would suggest is that you remove a certain percentage from your income. Okay, and rather than putting it into your savings account, make sure you invest it in setting up your online business. So this is the best way that you can use to build your online business. Okay, you can get started with your online business. So the first thing you can do is remove certain percentage. I have included your 13%. So let's say your job income is, right now you are making $2,000 per month, okay, from your job, and you decide to invest a certain percentage, let's say 30%. So you will end up investing $600 per month in your online business. So what you can do basically is you can put this entire money in driving traffic to your website. Okay, so if you remember, there are three main pillars of building your online business, that is traffic, relationship, and products. Okay, so you can invest all this money in driving traffic to your website. Okay, and you can use this money to give paid ads in various forums and search engines, or probably you can outsource the SEO part, that is the search engine optimization part of your website. Okay, where you can get people to create content for your website, write articles, do link building, and all the stuff which I teach you in my paid training videos. Okay, so if you have one of my training products, you know what I'm telling you. There is a perfect system that you can use to do SEO and search engine optimization to get rankings in the search engines, and the more you do it, the more traffic you get to your website. It's a scalable system, scalable traffic generation machine. So you can put that money into the traffic part, and these two things you can actually do it yourself for free, and all you require is just invest approximately 5 hours per week. All you need is 5 hours per week to execute these two things. So what you can do is, the first week, okay, let's say you get started with your online business this Monday. Okay, the next Monday you're getting started with your online business. So first week, okay, let's say you're working 5 days per week and 2 days you're taking off. So remove 1 hour every day. That's it, only 1 hour every day. Okay, avoid watching TV at night, or get up early in the morning, and just invest 1 hour in your online business. And what you can do is, in this 1 hour, record some products, create some training products like this one. You can either go about creating audios or videos. Okay, so if you just speak for, let's say if you're investing 1 hour, so you can easily research some content and speak for 30 minutes. Let's say 30 minutes it takes to research a good piece of content, and the next 30 minutes takes to record to the video or the audio. So you are just investing 1 hour per day, that is 5 hours per week. Okay, and at the end of the week you will have 2.5 hours of videos or audios. Okay, audios. This you can easily sell to your on your website. Okay, and now do the same thing out here in this relationship building part. You can just record, just invest in the second week. Now let's say you want to the week 2. The first week you have recorded 2.5 hours of audios and videos, and let's say out of this 2.5 hours of recording, you go about creating 2 products. The first product is of 30 minutes, it sells for $10, and the second product is let's say it's approximately 2 hours, which you are trying to sell for $47. Okay, so now you have 2 products created in your first week. Okay, and now you are moving on to the week 2, and week 2 is the same. You are again investing 5 hours, that is 1 hour per day, 5 hours per week, and you have again 2.5 hours of recordings. It can be either audio or video. And now out of this 2.5 hours of recordings, let's say you are including 15 minutes of recording per email. Okay, the main part of the relationship building is sending out email to your list of subscribers. So if you divide it by 15 minutes, so approximately you can have 8, approximately 8, 9, 10 emails. You can bifurcate this down into 10 emails, approximately the 2.5 hours of content, and you can now distribute these 10 emails, that you can put 5 emails for each of your 2 products. Okay, so for the first product you can have 5 emails going out, which will give good content to your visitors, and at the end of the content you can pitch your product. Next 5 emails will sell your second product. Okay, so with this doing this simple setup, okay, these 2 things are moving on absolutely free. Once you have your WordPress blog ready, creating WordPress blog is super easy. You can actually get training videos everywhere to create WordPress blogs. So once you have this, your 2 products ready, your relationship building 10 videos ready, okay, then all you have to do is invest a certain percentage of your income from your job into driving traffic to your website. Whether you drive traffic to your website using paid ads or SEO, it's up to you. So what will happen is that you have a complete system ready, and you are not risking your job to invest, okay, to start your online business. The first fear of people, fear number 1 is that I can't risk my job. This is the fear number 1 of all the people who are not getting started with their online business because they are doing a job. So the first fear is, I don't want to risk my job, I cannot quit my job. So that fear is completed because you are just investing a certain percentage of your job income into this. Okay, so you are not quitting your job, you are continuing your job right now. Okay, because you have to remove other expenses of your day-to-day life. And the second fear is, I don't have time. Okay, because I'm doing a job, I don't have time. So that fear is removed because you are just putting in 1 hour per day, 5 days a week. Okay, 2 days you can relax the way you are doing it, but just you are investing 1 hour per day. Just get up early in the morning, or probably quit watching television at night, and just remove 1 hour per day and focus in building these 2 pillars. Okay, so all you have to do is just invest certain percentage of your job income into your traffic generation pillar, and remove 1 hour per day and focus in developing your relationship building and products pillar. So when you do this, you have a business ready, and you're not broke, you're not risking anything, and you have all the time to have fun and play around with your online business. And once you have this system ready, then if you keep building this up, you can actually quit your job within few months or even a year's time easily, and you can replace your job income with this system which I have shared with you. So this system is really powerful, and it is the perfect way that you can go about and quit your job. Okay, and I would really love that you get started with this information today, and please share with me if you get any success using this system. Okay, just shoot me an email. So with this, I'll end up this video. And by the way, if you want me to help you out one-on-one in building this system, okay, then click on the link right below, and I'll give you more details about my coaching program, where I'll be working with you one-on-one and helping you out on one-on-one basis. And for next 12 months, okay, 12 months we'll be working together to build your online business, and it will actually speed guard your system, and it will help you to build your online business pretty quickly, because I'll be handling your technical part. I'll set up your websites and everything, and all you have to do is just focus in driving traffic to your website and streamlining your system. With this, I'll end up this video, and I hope you have got great value watching this video, and have a great day. Goodbye.